Woof. Well, good morning. After mega fire wind firestorm yesterday, late afternoon, that started, just checking on the devastation from the outside as I come out and go around. I have no idea what the gust strength of the winds were, but my prayers for the tree people to keep their arms attached and their feet planted in the earth really did indeed get granted, because we've got not too bad there, another one sticking up out of the Japanese maple. It was intense, and one can't really express the intensity and what it's like until you've gone through it. So, okay. Then mega here from the inside. No windows broken, and also on the roof, when you're inside, medium-sized branch can sound like an entire forest is dropping on your head. But this is pretty not yeah, there's the deck. And okay, this is a good verification of why it's important to get your trees limbed up. Oops, yeah, the leaks, well, hopefully they'll survive. Wow. The oh, woof. There's some big boys back here. Not too bad. Oh, that's a big guy over the tomato box, but fixable, doable. The fall crocus. Say, it's right, there's beauty still here. And okay. Yeah. This is all very, very, very okay. I do want to see the roof. Just had the roof cleaned Sunday and the gutters cleaned out, preparation for the rains that will come. So that was good timing. Okay. Wow. Not bad at all. At all. So thankful. So thankful. Thank you, everybody, for your thoughts and prayers and good wishes through this. And the big effect beginning of this yesterday late afternoon was the gusts had started, and I got the memo from the ethers saying you need to get inside, which I actually had because the smoke was so bad. I'm just trying to get the gate open here. But that was the first thing, that mega big leaf maple tree that crashed in the parking lot behind my house. So grateful. All is well here. I want to take just a moment here to express the importance of having your emergency bags ready to go. Having one in the car, or however, if you have two cars, because you have two possible drivers if you need to evacuate. But having your go bags ready. If you go to ready, ready.gov, G-O-V. There are great instructions there on what to include in your go bag, what to have ready in your home, and this also brings up the hugely important point about having water jarred up. I don't mean bottled water from the store, because that's a finite and limited resource that you aren't going to have time to run out to the store and get water. It's not sustainable. It's all kinds of things. But this really points to another very, very good reason to have a multi-pure water filter, because with a multi-pure filter and a little water emergency kit that's available, tiny amount of household bleach, and any water source, you have an unlimited supply of drinkable water that you can create very easily without the need of electricity. And just a little bit of time and patience to process the water. So contact me if you want more information on that. It's a huge sense of relief in knowing that you've got that necessity covered. And certainly you can take the unit in your car, it's very small, and have that along with emergency water kit, and you're good to go no matter where you're headed if you need to evacuate and get out. So stay safe, be well, please get prepared. You know, this just came up so quickly. There was a heads up on this, but it came quite surprisingly soon. So again, be good to yourselves. Take good care, get prepared, and do what you need to do to keep you and your family safe, and establish your connections with folks and your neighbors, especially checking in with one another. More later.